Hello techies, I am going to start a project called Python based ohm meter. Now it is a ohm meter, so it will read the resistor value and it will show it on the Python console. I am going to use this ESP32 brain board for all the hardware connections, and I am going to use Python obviously for software, but in that we have designed a special library called as Phygital library, which allows you to communicate with the hardware. So we are going to start a ohm meter project through this Python Phygital library and ESP32 brain board. Project, the first step would be to design a circuit. And before design a circuit, let's have a look at which circuit we are going to use in this project. We are going to use the voltage divider circuit for this project. So this is the voltage divider circuit, in which this is the R1, which is the fixed resistor that we have to decide. I'm going to choose between 1K, 10K or 100K. Then this is the supply voltage Vin 3.3 volt in our case, because that is the rated voltage for our brain board. And then we are going to read this Vout voltage through our analog pin on the brain board. And with these three known parameters Vin, R1 and Vout, we are going to calculate this resistor value attached. So for that we are going to use this formula, and with this formula we'll be calculating the resistor attached to our hardware. So we are all set with this circuit and formula. So we are going to next design it on the breadboard. Techies, this is the circuit on the breadboard that I have designed for Python ohm meter project. This is the reference resistor R1, which I have taken as 10K, and this is the resistor value which we are going to calculate through this circuit. Now this is the V in voltage 3.3 volt ground, and this is the analog input connection through which we are going to read the Vout voltage. So this is the whole circuit for Python ohm meter project. The next step would be to write a software in which we are going to take the analog input and we are going to calculate Vout, and through these parameters we are going to calculate the value of this resistor attached. This is the resistor that I am going to use in my Python ohm meter project for my first testing. So for my first testing I need to know its value. So I am going to read that value through a multimeter so that it would be easier for me to cross check whether my software calculates it properly or not. So I am going to take the multimeter reading, and this reading comes out to be something around 99. It is. So this is the final circuit in which I have attached the resistor value that we have calculated as something around 99K. I have attached this into the circuit. Now we are going to write a program for this and check whether our ohm meter gives us the reading for this resistor value or not. Is I have written a Python program for our ohm meter project. So in that program, we are going to test whether our program calculates the resistor value correctly or not. We have set the resistor to be calculated. We have tested it earlier and it comes out around 99K. So I have written a program. Now in this program I'll be calculating the resistor value. Now I'll explain the program first. We have included the Phygital library which we have designed to communicate with the hardware. This is the initialization part of our hardware, and we have taken the analog reading from the analog IO pin from the brain board, and this analog reading comes out to be 4096 when the voltage is maximum, that is 3.3 volt. So to calculate V out we'll require this. So we are going to calculate the V out, and with this V out we are going to calculate the resistor value R2 based on the formula that we have seen earlier. So this is the 10K reference resistor R1 value. This is the V in value and the V out which we have earlier calculated. Now this calculated R2 value will be showing onto the screen. This screen is created through Pygame library. This is the initialization for screen creation, and with this we are going to write our R2 value, resistance value, in three entities: in ohms, in kilo ohms, and in mega ohms. So let's run this program and see whether it shows the resistance value or not. So this is the screen. Initially it is showing 0 because it is not getting any reading. You can see over here we are getting the analog input here, and depending on to that we have done lots of calculations to calculate the resistor value, and this resistor value comes out to be it depends on the analog reading that we are getting. So it comes out to be around 97K. It is fluctuating, but it is around 97K, which is very near to what we have already calculated, which is 99K. So this is how our software works. So it seemed to be working. You can see around here it is fluctuating and it is around that value 97K. So this is it. This is the software for our Python ohm meter.